that car don't come behind him while he trying to make the U-turn. Oh shit. That motherfucker retarded. What's up, baby?
Good, baby. You see the aftermath. Real aftermath. John Restoration was up good.
Hey, John, tell me about the car.
It's my man Big Stu. 95 Caprice. Got a slight lift on it with the 4's on it. You see the lip on the 4's? That's how they ride now. Rims gotta look like they mad. They gotta have they lip pumped out. That's what it is. Your rims supposed to look like they're on punishment. When you're on punishment, what happens? What happens when you punish your kid?
They stick the lip out.
They stick that lip out, right? The rims on punishment right now, they probably lips out.
The lip is only 4 inches, you ain't talking about nothing. You know what I'm talking about? That right there, that's about 7 right there. That's about 7 right there.
Yes, sir. I said black. No door lock. That's shit. No more indentation. Smooth. We gotta go there because I need to do the pipe over on the M&M too. Y'all see it, John Restoration, 757-713-2277. That's how we do.
That's why y'all see it. It's me.
That funny time. He done told me the M&M just got redone. I'm waiting for the rims to come in for that one. It just got redone. Wet sand and buff, respray, everything. I'm coming to Hampton side. I'm coming for you boys on the other side of the water. Alright, Stu, what you gonna do, man, when it's over there?
Swerve on you, you know what I'm saying? I didn't let you just come over there like that.
Coming over there with the M&M. I gotta bring it over there.
Once I put this 383 stroke, I'm gonna holler at you. That ain't fair.
Yeah, she looking good. All I know is running out here, it's about 32 degrees out here.
Yeah, it is.
And look, y'all look out on the next video, my man Sharon on the CNC Total. He got his 97 Mustang GT coming out, the one with the 5.4 Navigator motor. We're gonna be filming that one next. She's real pretty. Y'all see the gloss. Y'all see it. from New York, but I'm gonna try to talk like they do down south. She wet. Is that how you say it?
That's that wet shouty.
Oh, that's that wet shouty. I know I messed up. See, I ain't from the south. I'm from up north. But y'all see it. Y'all see the paint. John Restoration. This how we do. Look at that. That's me walking by. That's the paint. This how we do. Got that purple ice in her ass. She looking good. All y'all boys that want y'all Chevys done, whether it's a bubble, a box, a dump, y'all know where to bring it. Prices are negotiable. I'll work with your budget. Do what you need me to do. Put you out on the street like we out on the street. There it is right there. John Restoration. 757-713-2277. Or you can email me at johnsrestoration at AOL.